Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautiful latest mini crochet bouquet style and beautiful decorative element, and as a gifting best optional best idea, like different vibrant color combination and decorative elements like bouquet flower covered with the green leaves and with holding front fitted both flower look ideas and crochet colorful flower with bouquet center and with green leaves idea and different rose flower color like red, white, pink rose flower, white rose flower, and red rose flower. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern. So I hope you liked my video and my channel. See this video till the end and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. So take care and bye bye. See you soon. I am back once again, new latest idea. Take care.